Hey guys, Liam from Blackpool Honda here. I'm just going to give you a quick video walk around of what a new CR-V SE would actually look like. Of course, we do have the Blackpool Honda demonstrator stickers on, as this is a demonstrator vehicle. But of course, with this being brand new, the car that you buy will come with no registration plates on, and it will come exactly as it looks now. Of course, the SE will come with these 18-inch alloys. They are diamond cut with gunmetal grey infills. Of course, body colour door mirrors. This car does, however, have a spoiler on the rear, tailgate spoiler, and side steps. They are, of course, optional extras. Of course, we'll show you the rear alloy here. I'll go into each and every alloy, just so you can see what they all like individually. Of course, we do have the reversing camera on the rear. As you can see on the bottom right, this is the EHEV hybrid vehicle. In the boot, we do have plenty of room in here. Of course, we have the black edition boot floor there. We've got a 12-volt power outlet just there, and of course these levers on either side you pull and the seat will fold flat, as you can see just there. Moving back around the vehicle again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Of course, in the rear of the vehicle, you can see we do have the red leather seats. We have the red leather seats with isofix mounting points just there. Of course, in the centre, you pull this down and you do get two cup holders just there. We've got two 2.5 amp charge ports just there. We've got electric and auto rear windows. Of course, CR-V kick plates on the door frame. Of course, we do have keyless entry as well. We've got the controls for all four windows just there. Window lock, central locking, electric adjustment with power fold. And of course your parking sensors, traction control, lane assist, and of course collision diversion system. Moving inside the vehicle, you can see we do have your automatic gearbox. On the right hand side, we do have your electric handbrake with brake hold. And on the left, we have your sport, econ and EV mode. We've got dual climate control, which can be all operated via the touchscreen display just here. Of course, going off that screen now, we do have satellite navigation just here. We have your Bluetooth hands-free. All your audio sources just there. And of course, all that is controlled via the left-hand side of the steering wheel here. You have the volume button there, Bluetooth hands-free here, and of course your source select and station select just there. This controls your onboard computer just there, as you can see. Controls all your onboard computer settings. And of course, we have speed limiter with cruise control just here. Moving back outside the vehicle now, showing you the last remaining alloy. And of course, this car, all of the new CR-V models do come with LED daytime running lights. Of course, you can get optional extras throughout the vehicle through Honda. We will order them in for you, and of course we will fit them all just for you here at Blackpool Honda. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.